Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to you all. God bless you. Eh? Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good evening. Depends on the time you see this video. I just want to do this video to encourage some women in this Germany. I want to advise us. I just want to advise some ladies here in Germany. And if you get this video, I just want you to share. It might save some of our women here in Germany. So I want to talk about this father shaft and this Zorgowitz, which is called 50-50 in here in Germany. So I just want to encourage some of us, some of others women, if you have documents and if your husband is here in Germany or in Europe, all over, if your husband is with you, I just want to plead with you that this Zorgowitz of 18, this 50-50 father shaft is very, very important. And we know that some men do not deserve it. They not deserve it. But what can we do for the sake of our children? For the sake of our children, may God forbid that anything should happen to us now. If the man don't have that father shaft and you don't have that 50-50, I'm sorry, the social might be fighting for the children. Look at the video I just watched 2 days ago, or it said last week. As I was watching that video, I saw it in YouTube. I was just crying. I was crying when I saw this video. A woman died leaving a very little baby behind, and the woman and the man, the husband was there. I cried. I just cried. When I was crying, my mom just ran inside, was asking me what's the matter. I said, look at what I saw. I said, I this and another thing. But yeah, where sometimes if you are crying now, when somebody die, you are crying. You are just crying for your own self. You are crying for your own self because you don't know what will happen to you tomorrow. You don't know. We don't know. So let's try and be doing this 50-50. This father shaft. God forbid that nobody is praying that we should. Nobody is praying for timely death. Nobody is praying that something should happen to them. But let's just do it for the sake of our children. If you know you love your children, do it. Do it. God forbid that anything should happen to you as a woman. Your husband, the father of the children, will take full responsibility of the kids of your children, so that the government will not fight the man over the children. So it's good, it's better the parents or the man. Fine, is a woman is the one that always take good care of the children. But when you are not there, the man can also do it. The man can also do it. And the men in Europe, they don't, we know they don't deserve it. We know they don't deserve it. Let's just do it. Let's be doing it. Anything you are doing now in this Europe, anything you are doing, let's just be doing it for the sake of tomorrow. We will not live forever. We will not live forever in this Europe. We will not live for. Some may also take it as an advantage or advantage to use against the women, and they use it also to threaten them. And if you talk now, you know I have rights over my children. You know I have rights over this. If you just talk, fine. But let me tell you, if you are not planning bad against anybody and somebody is trying to plan bad against you, trust me, it will soon come to you. You just do your best, and leave the rest for God to handle. Do the one you can do. Let people see, let the whole world see that you are really trying. Let God know that you have tried your best. If it's the man you are helping or anyone you are helping, they are not appreciating it, do your own. Don't stop. Don't relent. Don't say because I do this, because I do that, the man did not appreciate. Because I do this, he did not appreciate. I should rest. Okay, let's just try ourselves. Let's just try and help ourselves, help our children, help our environment. Let's try and make things easy for ourselves. Okay, please, this is the little message I have for us. Because dying, because this nowadays, now you can't even predict death. Nobody would don't predict death. Nobody will just, even those people that have died, they did pray for it. So for the sake, I love my children. I'm doing everything I'm doing now. I'm doing it for my children. So I'm not saying because the man is not good, because he's too good, because he's not good, I will not do anything. No. What if tomorrow I'm not there? Even the man, if the man is not good for me tomorrow, maybe if I'm not there, if the man is not good for me today, maybe if I'm not there tomorrow, it will turn out to be good for the children. So let's try our best today, now that we are still living, now that we are still breathing, now that we are still alive. Let's just try do what is necessary. Don't not let anybody to deceive you. Say if you do 50-50 now, if you do Zogabet now, no, it's not. Some men don't appreciate. They don't appreciate it. That's just the fact. Look at what I was watching in YouTube Queen 3 days ago. A man, you that gave birth to children. Oh God, may God have mercy upon of our some men in this country. You that have 2 children, because the woman is doing what she's doing, I don't understand. You now film, you record the woman when a baby was, when the children, no, it was a little baby that was crying. You have the man to video the baby, that you went to go and show it to social. Look at the woman is crazy, she cannot take off the child. Look, before you know it, they took the children from the woman. And now the woman is crying. She's crying for help. When I watched the video, I was crying. I was crying because I know the pains of children. I know the pains of a child. I know it. How can you, the father of a child, because if the love don't tire you, move on. When the woman said that she don't want you, and the man said that he don't want you, move on. But let us just leave our children out of it. That's what I'm here to say. That's the point. That's the point I'm trying to make here. Let's leave our children out of this whole issue. Our children of all of this quarreling over money, over child benefit, over. I see many people do it. I see many people quarrel and fight over child benefits. The problem here is that when a man is not working, if you are a man, you are not working, and you are a woman, you are not working, the money will definitely cause problem. That's just the fact. That's just the fact. You are a man, if month never end, that is something that they used to pay. You will not add, you will not get 10 euro and add to it. And when you are a woman, that 3 something also they used to pay you before month end, you will not get something to add to it. It will definitely cause problem. It will cause fight. Please, let's use our brain. Even if you are not working and this money is coming to the family, we can still manage. We can still manage. Some family are doing well in this Europe. When they tell you their story, when they tell you everything, you will hold your head. Your head go swell. What are we killing ourselves for? Look at, for this past few months, now many are gone. Many are dead. Many are dead. You that is still alive, you are fighting over child benefit, fighting over a man, fighting over a woman. Also, you, a man that is there, you have a woman at home, you are there pursuing anything that is under skirt. Is it good? That attention that you are taking outside, when you also put that attention in your family, everything that you know that is not working, it will also work. It will work. Are you a woman that have husband at home, or you have man at home, you are still flirting around, sleeping with different type of men? It's not also good for you. It's not good. I'm talking to both sides, even me that is talking. Many people know me too. I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to. Let's just try to do our best and leave the rest for God to handle. That's what I'm here to say. Please, please, let us try to fight for our children. If I see some women, if I just watch the kind of video, the woman is gone. Oh God, that night I will not sleep. I will not sleep. I will just be thinking of that issue. Say, oh God, what if not me? What will happen? If I'm dead tomorrow, I don't always talk of me. I'm just be raising the children that I'm leaving behind. That is my concern. What will now happen to them? Even you as a father, you are not a responsible father. The mother is not there. What will now happen to the children when the mother is not there? Please, please, our fathers, our husband, our ma, even our boyfriends, please, you people should try and change. When a woman is doing everything to make the family happy, to make you yourself happy, try and appreciate, so that the woman also will do more. Please. It's not a priority for a woman to, for me, it's not a priority for a woman to come out that I'm a single mother. I'm a single mother, or I'm a single father. What happened to the man? What happened to the woman? It's not fair. Please, let's use our brain. There's no woman that will just come out now except for many people, because of the child benefit. Even me, I don't even know. I'm not even seeing anything of benefit there. I'm not seeing anything. Except you just want to useless your life to become a baby mama without husband, a baby mama without their father. Please, and all those men try to make the women look responsible. You as a man, you pregnant a lady, you don't want to take the responsibility of that child. Before you know it, now the after 1, 2, 3, they will be counting the children follow the mother. Please, I don't want you to come here and listen to the English. The one that is your own in this issue, try and pick it. Change. Don't let anybody deceive you that if you do 50-50 for your husband, if you do father share for your husband, it's another thing. Fair, they will not appreciate, but do it for the sake of your children. For God forbid that anything should happen to us now, somebody is there to take and to look after the kids, so that the government will not take our kids, so that what we have suffered for, it will never be in vain. Thank you very much. If you come across this video, do everything, take what belongs to you inside. I appreciate every one of us. If this video gets to you, do and share, so that most of our women in Europe, they will use it and learn. Thank you very much. God bless you. Happy Sunday.